What are pre-market and after-hours trading? Normally, the stock market is open during set hours. For example, the New York Stock Exchange trades from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But trading doesn't always stop there. Pre-market trading happens before the exchange officially opens, often from around 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And after-hours trading happens once it has closed, typically from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Together, these are sometimes called extended hours trading. They're made possible by electronic trading systems, which match buyers and sellers without needing the exchange floor to be open. Why does it matter? Pre-market and after-hours sessions let investors react to news outside normal hours. For example, companies often release earnings reports in the evening. If Apple announces record profits after the market closes, investors don't have to wait until morning. They can start buying and selling immediately in after-hours trading. It's not just companies that move markets, though. Big government announcements, such as new jobs data or central bank interest rate decisions, often arrive before or after the bell. These can cause shares, bonds, and even currencies to shift sharply in extended hours. It also matters globally. While the US market is closed, trading is still happening in Asia and Europe. Pre-market and after-hours trading help US shares catch up with what's going on in the rest of the world. Here's a simple example. Imagine a company releases bad news at 6 p.m. Perhaps their product launch flopped. During after-hours trading, nervous investors might start selling shares at £45, even though the closing price was £50. By the time the market officially opens the next day, the share price may already reflect that drop. The same works in reverse. If good news comes out at 7 a.m, buyers can bid up the stock in pre-market trading before 9:30 a.m. But it's worth noting, once the regular session opens and far more traders get involved, the price can swing again. Pre-market and after-hours moves don't always last. What else should you know? These sessions are usually less liquid than normal market hours. That means fewer people are trading, so prices can swing more sharply and spreads, the gap between buy and sell prices, are wider. It's also worth noting that not every broker offers access to pre-market or after-hours trading, and even when they do, the exact times can vary. Professional traders and institutions are often more active during these times, so individual investors may be at a disadvantage. Another nuance: while big events can move shares heavily outside normal hours, not all stocks are traded actively in these sessions. Popular companies like Amazon or Apple often see lots of activity, but smaller firms might not trade much at all. To sum it all up, pre-market and after-hours trading extend the day beyond the bell, letting investors react to news straight away. They make markets more flexible and globally connected, but come with higher risks, lower liquidity, and prices that can change quickly once normal trading begins. For most people, it's useful to know what's happening, even if you don't take part directly, because those early moves often set the tone for the next day's session. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.